May we call on to step forward candidate number 12.
Candidate number 12 from Pasig City.
Yung red.
Okay, so far so good. Our next candidate, please step forward. Candidate number 6. Ba't walang sisigaw dito? Candidate number 4. Geraldine R. Borena.
Ayan, JR, dalawa na lang natitira.
Oo, dalawa na lang.
Talagang tight to. Pumasok ba yung kandidato mo?
Secret.
Secret pa rin ha?
Secret.
Anyway, for our next candidate, second to the last, ano? So may we call on candidate number 11.
Number 4 is from Pila. Number 10 is from
Alright, congratulations. Isa na lang. Ang kailangan natin tawagin. Again. At sabi kanina, after nito, ang top 5 natin, back to 0 ang scores. Tinapon na namin ang scores, previous scores ninyo. So back to 0 to tayo lahat. Okay, after this is the question and answer naman. For the last spot, please claim it and step forward. Candidate number. You speak well. Candidate number 2.